Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my dear teachers. In this session, I want to share some knowledge that I have gained during this occasion. It is about the class notebook, or you can say the OneNote. And then it is very interesting, and then it is inbuilt application along with this MS Team, Microsoft Team. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Please, you can watch this carefully, and then you can do one by one, step by step. So I click first that any class that you want, you can. I want to go for grade 4 5, any class that you have, you click it, and here you can see class notebook, general post files class notebook. Click this. So here you will read this welcome to class notebook, and you can scroll down and you can see get started. So it is already, I have started this. So for the beginners, there will be get started, some message will be here. So you can click it, and then give this class notebook access for all the students by clicking this get started. Once it is done, you can see here this is the navigation. Just you have to click this navigation panel, and you can see this folders. These folders: welcome, collaboration space, content library, teacher only, and student names. This is a teacher's version, and for the students they will see welcome, collaboration, content library, and their name. This teacher only will not be there. Okay, now how are we going to start? So welcome, here when you click you can see this one just to get the information, and second this collaboration space. When you click you can see this pink color using the collaboration. You have to click this again. Okay, and this left column is a section, the right column is a page. In the right column page you can create a page every time that you are using this collaboration. Whenever you want to collaborate with your students, you can use it. So collaboration, now I am in the classroom, and then I want to collaborate with my students. So I click this page, and the new page is started, and here you can see untitled because it is not given, the title is not given. So I type the title, today's class about speed. So I have written a title, and I click it, and here I can ask them write something about speed, example. Okay, so students, they will find their own space by clicking anywhere like this, and they will type their ideas here. Okay, and it is very important that during collaboration we have to ask students not to touch other students work. So for example, here is Muhammad. Ahmed want to collaborate. At the same time he can take some other space, some box, other box, and he can share his idea. And another boy is there, Salman, he can take another space. So this is very important for the collaboration. If they take the same space, then this page, then this is not a good collaboration. So we have to ask them, and then take the space, different spaces. So by clicking anywhere they like, you can see this kind of boxes. Okay, now if you want to give some information, you want to insert some information, so you can go to this insert, and here you have the files you can attach. So in this file you have two other options. You see, insert as attachment. If you attach with this option, you can just see a folder here, a small folder. When you click this folder, it will redirect you in another browser, or whatever the browser the permission is given. Okay, so sometime So it is not, I don't like this insert as attachment because it will take it will redirect. So I have to download it. I have to see it separately, it will take time. So better what you can do, insert file printout, which means PDF. You make your documents PDF, convert it into PDF, and you can use this. What will happen, you can see a picture here, so it is easier for you. Okay, so I can attach some picture for the demonstration. Insert, sorry, choose file from your laptop. Mm, okay, now I have attached some file for you for the demonstration. And then just we need a good connection for this, because it is online, online booting. Okay, so it will take time, little time. Now you see here the file is attached, it is open. Okay, what if I attach? Now you cannot see file, you see, you cannot attach anything. It is because we did not click it on the screen. Once you click it on the screen, anywhere on the screen, then you can see the file that you can attach as as an attachment. You see how it will be. You can just see a folder. That this is what I said, you can't see what is inside. Just you have to click this, and it will redirect you download in another browser. Okay, so better we can use this file and insert file printout will be the good option. Okay, now here, come back to this picture. So you can collect your picture from the file from your laptop, or you can take it from the camera. You can use a mobile phone. So this option is very good option for the students. Every student to download this application, class notebook, or OneNote application, in their Teams application also. Okay, so once it is downloaded in their mobile phone, they can write it, and then they can upload the picture using through their mobile phone. So once it is uploaded, the photo into the Teams or OneNote book directly, you can see the picture here. Okay, how to upload? Now in the collaborations page, if anything is uploaded, everyone can see, teachers, students, everyone can see this page. That is collaborations page. Okay, this page is collaboration. Okay, now I want to go back again. This navigation panel, you have to click this navigation panel. Now this information, you see this information, speed, the topic speed, this information will be automatically available in their laptop. Means they can see this is online, like, OneDrive. So it is online, so it is there. And even you can explain it by, now I want to explain this diagram. I can click this draw. I can take this. For example, some students did some work, so I can just give points. I can write here 10 points, 10 out of 10. Very good. Okay. So this is about the collaborations page space. Then the content library. What is content library? Using content library. So in this content library, you can add any content you want. So whenever you see, sometime it is selected like this. Now you can see a dot. This is a drawing mode. This is a drawing mode. Okay, so I want to type, so I can select this cursor. So here you can type content library. I want to give some content, some information from the library, from internet, from Google, from your textbook, whatever you can attach here. Okay, give the title, and if you want, you can give date. Here date is 29 2020, and parenthesis is closed, so students will know which date it is modified and then or assigned for the students. And here the same you can insert, or if you want you can draw, or better option, if for example now you want to give another, I can give you some other information, drawing and then attaching. Now you can take this board, it is wonderful board, you know this, right? Microsoft whiteboard. So it is very good tool for drawing and then sharing information with your students. Now I can select any pen I want. Okay, now speed is equal to distance over time. Distance over time. I'm using Wacom tablet. Wacom tablet. That's a digital pen. Okay. So distance over time, and this speed is equal to distance over time, and then I can show some information for my students. Speed is equal to distance over time, and then I can write here as a unit here, meter per second. Sorry. Okay, like this. After this, what I can do, I can take a snapshot, a snipping tool. Just you type it, you will get this tool. So I can take this new, and I can copy this information. Now it is copied. I can go back to my page, and here I want to paste it. Just paste it. Just you have to wait for some time, and here it is. And you can increase or decrease the page size. Okay, so here this is all. Anything whatever you want to insert, you want to draw, you want to share information, everything you can share it here. Content library, so students can see this content library. Or this content library, sometime if it is not shared, I'm not sure about this, because content library, I think content library is not with students here. No problem, just you, I will explain one by one, don't worry. Okay, now teacher only, this one I will explain it later. Okay, and here Abdurrahman, he is my student, and I click. When I click this, you can see Abdurrahman will have four folders: handouts, class notes, homework, and quizzes. And this science homework is a new section that I have I included this. Okay, I have attached, or I have I did something, so I added this extra science homework. But the inbuilt handouts, class notes, homework, and quizzes. Okay, now I want to give handouts for my students. So if you click this handout, I have given some information. So class notes I can show you. So class notes, I asked them do the class work, and then I gave some questions for them. Scientific method, you have to type and then you have to write. So it is written, and then I have marked, and then the score is given for the students. It is saved here automatically. He can see, and then I can see, right? And then how can I give class work? Just inform them, students. For example, in the class notes, I ask them to take the class notes, and then I give, and the during the final moment, like last closure time, 5 or 10 minutes, you can use this. Tell them, open your page, the new page example. He opened, and today's topic, some inference. So inference, ask them to type inference. So they will type it, and then whatever they learn, they will write it. They will write it here. And then you can, after school hours, whenever you have free time, you just you can mark, and you can give their points here using the draw. You can use it nicely. You can just, you can give points. All informations are correct, and he gets 10 over 10 or 20 over 20, whatever the points, the rubrics you have for your students. Okay, now I don't want this page, right? So what I can do, I can click right and then delete this page. So the now the page is going to be deleted permanently. Finished. Yeah. So some works are given for my students, and then they felt it is very interesting, and they are very curious about this. And then you see here, dependent and independent variables. I gave some information in the translated informations also. So I can explain this now, how I can distribute the class notes for every students. I cannot type, I cannot go to every folder and then I type, or I cut and paste, copy paste. I go and then every page and then open this, and it is a very difficult, difficult. It takes time, the booting time. It takes a little more time. Okay, so it is difficult for us, waste of time, that we go to every class note and then you upload your informations, right? So what you can do, you see here, carefully watch here, open in browser. You have to click this, open in browser, open in application. Better, I think, open in browser. Open in application, you need application. Already the application is, you have the application in your laptop, then no problem, you can go to your application, it will be better, or the mobile option is better. OneNote, you can download OneNote and you can go. Okay, here I don't have application in my laptop, so I am going in going for a browser. So I'm opening it, and now it is redirecting to any of selected browser, and few moments. Now we are in this another browser. Here it is OneNote, class notebook. OneNote is the same. Okay, now here in the browser mode, you open this teacher only. Now I explain about what we can do in this teacher only space, using the teacher only space. And here you open a page, you open a page. Okay, now a page is open, untitled page. Here we have to click the teachers only, using the teacher space, and you create a new page, and the message that you want to distribute for all your students, any information, you type it here. And then I have typed message, dear students, I have created a new section for science. Hereafter you have to post all the science related science homework folder. Thank you. Now I want to uh, distribute this page for all the students. So organize your folder. This is the message for them. This is a message for my students, grade 5 students. Okay, now how could I distribute this all the page? See here, class notebook, right? You have to click this class notebook, and you can see here distribute page. Click this and click this distribute page. Okay, now at the right side you can see it is buffering, so it is collecting informations. And now I want to give this information to their folders. These are all the folders: class notes, handouts, homework, and quizzes. This one newly created one, I set up this newly. So I want every student to post their old science related material in this science homework. And later I'm going to set up other some folders like science homework, science quizzes, science class notes, science handout later. Now this is enough for the beginners. As a beginner, then these four folders. Now I want to inform to all my students this information. I want to pass this information, so I can send this to the handouts. And you have to click handout and distribute, and it is now, it is being distribute to all students handouts in this notebook. Class 0543 ID is, this is my school ID, and then grade 5, and then class number 1. Now it is uploading. After 1 or 2 minutes it's completely will be uploaded. It will take time like 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, now it is uploaded. Now we can check. Now we can check Abdurrahman here. Now I have distributed this information, this folder. Organize your folder for Abdurrahman in handouts. You can click and you can check it now. Here you can see organize your folder. Now Abdurrahman, he received the information from the teacher, and another information we can check randomly some other students. This another student's name Faris. And handouts, I click the handout, I can see this organize your folder. So same information, he also received the same information from the teacher. So this information, this distribute page will help the teachers more. And not only this, you can distribute cross notebook distribution. If you have many other classes like 5A, 5B, 5C, 5D, 6A, 6B, 6C, 6D, many other classes, you want to post the same information, then you can click this. If you click on the right side, it will take you to the right side, and then here it is collecting the informations, the classes you have. And you just, these are all the classes that I want to post for. So you can set up, you just click whatever the class you want and click this next. And you want to send your information to the class notebook or handouts or homework or quizzes, whatever the information you want to, you just click. If I want to send to the class note, click this and distribute this. Now I don't want to distribute this information, so just a demonstration for you. So I don't want to distribute. If you click here, the information, this organize your folder information will be distributed to all the classes that you have selected. Okay, then what else you have? When you type this, if you want to increase your folder size, you can go to home, same as like our MS Word. You can increase the font size, and you can select the font that you like, and you can uh, select the color for your font, and if you want you can highlight anything. If you want to make it means highlighted points, you can do it. Then what else you have? Insert. Here also you can insert the folder everywhere, every option, every folder, every section, and every page you can insert, you can draw, you can whatever options, every options will be available in every page, so you can use it. So this is very important that you have to click this class notebook and go to the distribute page and distribute your information to your students. Okay, and then many more things that you can do it. Once you can once you use this, you will find many other useful information. And here you see distribute new section, that is the section that you have created. Yesterday I created the science homework. This can be distributed, this section can be distributed to other classes or within the classes. uh, you can do it. Copy to content library. Now I want to copy this information to the content library. Where is the content library? I told welcome, collaborate, collaboration space, content library, teacher only, and student name. Five folders for the teachers. Okay, so you want to copy the any information, so they can use this one. And then review a student work. Now I can click this review students work. You see I have clicked this review students work, and here homework, I can click this homework, and you click this next. And here now what happened here, the science and maths teachers works also will be posted in the same pages. That is the a very important thing, that we have to create our own specific folder. That's what recently I have created the science homework. Okay, so you can see for example steps of scientific method. You want to check this homework, this is the topic name, homework 69, and math is a math teacher, he gave this homework and I gave this homework, so I can click this and next. Now I can see these are all the students turned in their homeworks. So we can see this boy Fathi, and here he attached his picture here, so it will redirect. So you have to tell your students to use the picture mode, not file format. We need the picture format so that we can see the picture here, so not a folder, because it will redirect, so it will be difficult for us. Another homework, that Mahmoud. So this is homework that it is marked. And another example, yeah, it is done, marked, right, 10 points. So it will be easier. And then wherever wherever you are, whenever you want, and whatever the device you have, it is easy. And then we can organize our works in the easy way and in the trendy way. And I hope you all teachers like this. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any further information, you need any information, if you want, you can contact me, you can mail me, so that I can arrange a meeting by the teams, so that I can record the informations, the meeting. I can record the meeting, and then I can uh, save it for as my, I need at least 50 teachers to, I have to train at least 50 teachers to get a training certificate from Microsoft. So I am very happy for you. I'm very happy to help you And then if you have any further questions, please contact me. Thank you very much, teachers.